Insignia washing machine, brand new from Best Buy. Got a half a load of laundry in here. It's just
Don't pack it down.
It's just some bed sheets. It's only about half full. So we put the laundry soap in here. Open for about half a load, which is only about half of one of them. Okay, now we're gonna close the lid. We got no, we'll just close the lid first. Got a see-through lid. Now, before we start this, whatever settings you do on here cannot be changed. The only thing that can be changed is the water setting afterwards, which is right there. You can only add water. So if you start with heavy duty, the whole load is heavy duty. Even if you try pausing it, it'll still stay on heavy duty. But I don't know about unplugging the machine from the wall. What happens when you unplug the machine from the wall?
Nothing. It doesn't change.
It doesn't change the setting. So we'll put on heavy duty. The soil level right now is heavy duty, and the temperature of the water, we can just put it on warm. Now remember, the temperature of the water cannot be changed once the we push the start here.
Okay, what are we on? What's that up here?
Extra heavy. The soil level. We'll put the soil level as heavy. Okay?
Okay. Okay, we're ready to go.
Then you got soak. If you want to give it some soak here.
No, don't soak. No.
I'm just explaining to
Oh, okay.
If you want your load to get extra soak, you push this green light on. See, it goes on or off. Or extra rinse. Or you want put the fabric softener in, which is probably one of these compartments is your fabric softener, or the extra water. Okay.
Press start.
Yeah.
Now watch that'll.
Now the door is locked. We can't open the door, and the machine is spinning. So we'll let that fill up, and we'll see how far it goes up with the water, if we can see it. We'll have to pause the machine to look at how much water, because the glass is fogged up here. And that's the amount of water, which is not very much. It's not even over the clothes.
Okay.
So we'll have to add water now.
Oh, we'll add water.
Okay. And wherever you want the water level, you just push it again and it'll stop it?
Yeah.
Okay.
That's enough water now, I guess.
Okay. But is there a setting on here for extra water? Oh, you can push this and it'll on all the time, and it'll give you extra water.
Yeah, it'll fill the whole tub. No, you see, that's what it does. I guess, you know, it knows how much water to bring in.
Yeah.
For the amount of laundry you got in there. I guess it's kind of a water saver too.
But if you figure you don't have enough water and you push this to automatic, and then the tub fills right up.
Yeah, if you leave that on, the tub will fill right to the top. And that's way too much water.
So you got to babysit the machine if you want different water then.
If you want more water, yeah. But no, they didn't take on any more water. No, that's more than 15 minutes. I'll see how long it washes. It might wash for half an hour.
What, on heavy duty?
On anything. Because it seemed to wash for a long time when I did the laundry last time.
Yeah?
And I just did it on normal. And it was whites. You can set it for whites there too. We'll see if it starts to spin when it gets down to 35. That'll be 20 minutes. It's pumping out now.
Yeah, I hear it pumping out.
Yeah, pumping out.
Pumping out at 37 minutes.
There it goes.
Yeah, and we're at 30 already, and there's no more rinse water coming out of here yet.
There comes the water.
There's the water. That was a long time. There's
Look,
the
there's
water.
water in here.
Yeah. And
What
look,
about over here?
well, those are the fabric softeners and whatever else. There's the water coming at 25.
Maybe it'll come up in the barrel.
We're going to push it on pause and see if that's actually warm water for the rinse in heavy duty cycle.
That's cold.
Cold water for
Cold
the
water,
rinse.
yeah.
Okay. Cold water for the rinse. Wow.
Not much water, eh?
Nope. We won't give it any extra this time.
Nothing it out.
Okay, we're on the last leg phase here. We're on the spin cycle, and it's pumping out the water from the rinse now. So we're definitely on the last part
On the last leg.
at 16 minutes. We're at 14, and this is the spin. This is the spin.
Now it'll spin for 14 minutes.
At 14 minutes of spin, you'd think that it would be pretty dry by then. Oh.
There. That's it.
Okay. Here's the manual for the machine here. I got it online, and that's the machine model right there.